we've got an awful lot of fireworks, nearly 10,000 fireworks spread over the 3 barges that we're rigging here today, and then there's nearly 2,000 on the London Eye, which we can't rig until about 6 o'clock in the evening on the 31st itself. The show's coordinated, synchronised to a soundtrack. There's a nod to various moments over the year, some sporting moments, etc. But we start with the soundtrack. It's just over 12 minutes long, and we use that as the spine to design the show. So the tempo and the volume of the music dictates the tempo and the intensity of the fireworks. So we get the ebbs and flows following the music through.